Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Business Hours widget in Move Addons. Business hours refer to the specific time during which a company or business remains open. It's essential and necessary for every company to show their business hours on the website. Therefore, this widget comes in pretty handy. You can display well-designed business hours through this widget. It gives you the flexibility to set your timings easily. I'm going to show you step by step how to display your business hours on your website. First of all, search the widget from the search widget and drag it to this section. You'll find 3 unique styles to show off your hours. Okay, look at this. 7 days are already given for your convenience. To remove a day, just click here. You can add a day or time by clicking right here. Now click on the first one. You can change the title and time. To change the icon, click here and select the icon, then click on Insert. You can also define this day as your closing day. Just switch the button on. And then you're going to repeat this process to customize all your other days. Go to the Style tab and make suitable changes of the typography, alignment, background, and time. And now, you're ready to use the Business Hours widget of Move Addons. If you have any comments on this video or on the Business Hours widget, please let us know in the comment box.